In 3 simple steps, I will be showing you how to delete all the emails in your Gmail inbox. So first, expand more, select all mail. Here you're going to select this checkbox, and then here you're going to select all 3000 or whatever number you're seeing on your screen in all mail. Then hit delete. This will affect all 3,499 conversation in all mail. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Okay. This may take a minute or two to complete. Now guys, I've watched several YouTube videos on how to do this, and it's a bag of rambling, so I just decided to shorten the process for you. And that's it. So if this video has helped you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and give me a sub. Alright, I'm out for now.